Could you take this and teach from this? In other words, this
absolutely.
level of details and stuff, or would you want to have a lesson plan for each one of these?
Yes, I could make a lesson plan for each one of those sessions,
Right.
but it would take me the rest of the week.
Okay. So just for grins, okay, we're just going to grab this, and we got a minute. Let's go and let's throw this into the actual lesson plan module Genie and have it get more detailed for us, okay? So we're going to load Stu's avatar. Did I go past it? I'll just put in Stu's mobility avatar. Okay. Experience level, we said intermediate. So primary motivation trigger, escape physical pain. Now, this is where it's kind of cool. We're now going to paste in
Session 1.
Yeah, day 1, session 1. Day 1, and I'll put session 1 morning. All right. Mobility. Okay. How will this lesson be delivered? In person. This will be 90 minutes. And we want to get detailed?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. So now we're going to have it create the lesson plan. But we're not just going to create the lesson plan. Once we get the lesson plan done, we got a whole bunch of other stuff that we can make for it, so that you're just going to deliver some crazy cool stuff. Okay. So I want you to, so now we started out, if you imagine we did our value ladder, it's like the 30,000 view. Then the curriculum, once we've chosen something, we do the Curriculum Genie, say that's the 10,000 foot view. Now this is the 500 foot view. Okay. So now we're getting into it, man. First 5 minutes, welcome, explain the purpose, provide a brief overview. Next 15 minutes, discover difference between mobility and flexibility, explain how mobility is and all that, blah, 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 provide example, common limitations. Next 10 minutes, boom. Now we're getting into guided stretching routines. So again, you can edit this, however, then we get into cool down, conclusion, all right? Is this just on the surface? This look, I mean, this, could you print this off, put it on a clipboard, grab that size challenged megaphone I've seen you with the picture of, and stand in front of a room and teach from this outline?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now watch this. Want some ancillary materials?
Sure.
Okay. If you were going to throw this into some marketing material or put it into a program, would you want a summary and bullets for each one of the things if you were going to put together a program? Okay, let's make those. And would you like some extras? You know, just some optional extras you could add to really saucy up, make this lesson a little even more saucy.
Yes.
Would you like that? Okay. So here's some other stuff to think about. Some other things, you know, some handouts or worksheets, videos, recommended stretching routine, handout, including sets, reps, duration. I mean, you do that already.
Yeah.
But you could hand them workouts. You could create a stretching workout.
Yeah.
So different exercises, all this other stuff. So here's a bunch of different ideas to make this lesson even more valuable. Now we got our summary and bullets for this particular thing. So this, again, you could use this in your marketing materials. You could use this on you know, depending on what you're doing, this could be the stuff that goes on your course description page. If you were doing a proposal to actually do this for somebody and they're like, hey, send me a summary, this would be the thing that you would send over there. And then down here, some optional stuff, all right? Include a section on injury prevention, integrate strength training exercises, provide guidance on nutrition and hydration, dynamic stretching, mobility drills. So a whole bunch of other stuff just to help you to make it better. But look, not just mobility and flexibility. This is all the stuff you talk about: injury prevention, strength training, nutrition, recovery, mental resilience, and community. Come on, man. It's like you wrote this yourself.
Damn.
So now we can output this bad boy. We've got it in a Word doc. And now here's our summary and bullets up there. This is what we're going to cover. Got our lesson plan outline. Got a list of things that you could add to it, and then optional extras to discuss and really plan this thing out.